AI and artificial intelligence like ChatGPT has been taking over the headlines in 2023. But did you know that no-code tools are leveraging AI to create an even more powerful beast? So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the advancements that no-code tools have seen with AI. What's up and welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Christian and this channel's name is WeAreNoCode, and we teach entrepreneurs how to build and launch startups leveraging no-code tools. So if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel for more tips on entrepreneurship, no-code, and all sorts of tech tools. I wanted to quickly define no-code. So no-code is a way to build software. Those could be apps, they could be websites, they could be web apps, they could be progressive web apps, and do not require understanding coding at all. So they're basically drag and drop builders that allow you to build software, and you can build very complex or simple things without having to write a single line of code. Anyway, having seen the power of AI over the past couple of years, it's very obvious that no-code tools would want to integrate some of these smart features inside of their building tools. So we've seen no-code tools like Webflow, which is a website builder and CMS that allows you to build beautiful experiences, start to leverage no-code. We've also seen platforms like Bubble.io. We've seen platforms like Softer. We've seen Zapier create integrations with ChatGPT and more. And Notion has also implemented lots of AI within its platform. So let's discuss some of the use cases here. So Softer, for example, a web app builder, has now allowed people to auto-generate images so they can use as part of their web projects, right? So if you're building a website, for example, and you'd like to have beautiful icons or illustrations, you could literally just go inside of the tool itself and write in plain text what you would like there, and then it's going to populate it with an image of that thing. They've also incorporated text generation. So what you can do is actually, within the tool itself, create sections, for example, a new section inside your website or in your app, and you could describe the text that you'd like for it to create, and it will generate it for you. So Software first implemented ways in which you can actually leverage AI yourself as you're building, but it also allowed people to actually create ChatGPT features within apps in seconds. So you can essentially create a field where someone can generate their own text within your app. So you could say, by giving it a prompt, giving it a maximum amount of characters for it to output, and then people simply have to input their prompt and they'll get an output from that. And they also allow you to bring features from DALL-E, which is an image creator that allows you to basically describe the image if you're a user of that specific tool and going to output an image. So to summarize, it can help you as you're building and need images and copywriting, but it could also create those features for users who are going to be using your app in the future. And by the way, in the comment section, we have a free course teaching you the step-by-step to launch your business with no code. And we also have a program called the No Code Startup if you want to launch your startup idea using these powerful no-code tools. And you'll be able to find both those links inside the description box. That was Softer, and now we're going to be jumping into a tool called Notion. Now, Notion has classically been found to be the workplace, and it's a place where you can organize notes. You can even now create websites. You can do all sorts of things within Notion, but ultimately, we at WeAreNoCode use it as a back office. And Notion.ai has some pretty advanced capabilities when it comes to treating text. So I'm gonna run you through a couple of examples right now so you can understand the power of this. By simply entering Notion and clicking on the space button, you can have access to a huge number of AI capabilities. So as you can see here, you can improve the writing on a specific page. You can fix the spelling or the grammar of a specific page. You can make the text shorter, so have it rewrite it in a shorter format. You can also make it longer if you'd like it to develop on a specific point that you're arguing. You could also change the tone or simplify the text itself, all within this page. You can also choose to draft things from scratch. So you could have it brainstorm ideas, for example. You could also have it write an outline for a paper if you give it a strong enough description. You can create blog posts, social media posts, creative stories. You can even write an entire essay without even leaving Notion. And yes, the education system is flipping out because you also can't tell what text is being generated by AI and what was actually written from scratch. Now, of course, education is super important for everyone, but I think that it's evolving, and you can even import AI blocks to do a lot of the work for you. Now, the next tool I want to talk about is Bubble. Bubble has been at the forefront of including artificial intelligence in its technology with its more robust API capabilities. But most recently, Bubble has announced some of the very exciting things that will be to come, and I wanted to describe a couple of them inside this video as well. Now, an awesome feature here are smart workflows, where basically, instead of repeating the same tasks over and over and over that you would have to do while you're building, this would be able to remember one and do it over and over, meaning that you can save a lot of time on data entry. They're also working on a feature for automatic data analysis that can improve and provide suggestions for builders as they're building to improve the performance of their app. They're even looking into creating design assistants that can help you with the layout of specific pages or styling of them, meaning that in the future, these no-code tools are going to be easier and easier to use, so they're going to become increasingly good at helping you build without having to do a lot of the heavy lifting and while avoiding a lot of the learning curve as well. And Bubble is also building out integrations with some of the major AI services, such as Google AI. These integrations are going to allow Bubble builders to leverage some very, very deep functionalities within their app. This allows builders who use Bubble to be able to build very complex functionalities where the AI features are powered by Google Cloud itself. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. It helps us continue to grow this channel and it'll allow you to learn without making so many mistakes along your journey. Now, Webflow also made a big announcements when it comes to how they're using AI within their technology as well. The first use case here is actually a verbal prompt. So you'll be able to build websites just by speaking, leveraging Webflow's beautiful templates. That's right. Think of how simple it's going to be to build a website in the future. Webflow is also planning on having its own AI copilot. This will allow builders to be able to create images and also get copywriting assistance, but actually a lot more than that. It'll allow individuals to auto-generate SEO optimized settings and also to quickly generate, alter, and summarize all types of text, whether it be static or CMS. So as you can imagine, no code in and of itself allows people to build software of all kinds without learning how to code. But now with the power of AI, the possibilities and functionalities that no code is going to have is going to unlock a huge number of opportunities for entrepreneurs like yourself. So if you haven't yet started your no code journey, we encourage you to check out our website at WeAreNoCode.com. As we move more and more towards a skill-based economy and everything is digital, the power of no code for people who are non-technical or who don't know how to code is really, really going to change the game in 2023 and beyond. See you all in the next video. Let's go.